Guys, how are you guys doing? How have been your day? How has been your week? We thank God for yet another opportunity to be in the kitchen. It is a privilege, honestly speaking. We thank the Lord. Today we are going to be doing royal icing. So come along with me. Let me show you guys what we need to use for our royal icing. So for our royal icing, we have our icing sugar. I have 1.5 kilo of icing sugar sifted here. I have my lemon, a whole lemon is already juiced in here. My lemon juice. I have 3 eggs. So let's get into it. I'm going to first do this. I need the egg white. I don't need the yolk, I need the egg white. So I'm going to separate it. So I'm removing it off. So this is my mixing bowl. So it's separated. I'm going to pour in 2 teaspoons of sugar in so that it will have something to feed on. So I'm pouring it in and I'm going to take it to my mixer. I'm going to be mixing it with a very high speed on my mixer. I'm going to, so now you can have a look at it. It's well mixed and is whitened up. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm not going to use this mixing kit on it. So I'm going to change it. So I'm changing it up with another mixing kit. So I'll start adding my icing sugar bit by bit. But one thing that I will remember to do is to lower my mixer. Without that, it's going to splash all over. So I'm going to add in my lemon. Put it off, add it bit by bit until you get to your not watery and not too thick. So you're going to see how we're going to do it. So you can have a look at it. So I'm still going to add in my lemon and add in more of my icing sugar. So we are done. So you see This is what I'm looking for. It's not too, let me just get it off. So this is what I'm looking for. It's not running. So this is what you're looking for. If it's running, you will not enjoy it. So have a look at it. Okay. This is what we want. It's not too, you see, it's not dripping. It had to drop. This is what you want, and this is what you are going to use. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Please do try. Royal icing is important if you want to get into your pastry. Try your royal icing. Thank you for watching. God bless you.